The mission and vision of a company, the strategies and the objectives. If you want to find out the differences, what they are, you are in the right place at the right video. Starting right now, like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below for the algorithm. It helps me a lot. Let's go into the video. Every corporate, every company has a specific target audience and they are planning to reach them by setting for themselves different objectives. However, in corporate communications, you probably thought about and you probably heard about concepts like the corporate communication, the company mission, vision, objectives, and strategies. And you are wondering, what are those? What is the difference between the mission and between the vision? Well, let's start by the definition of the mission. The mission of a company is the overriding purpose in line with the values and expectations of stakeholders. The mission of a company is a general expression of the purpose of the organization. Ideally, the mission of a company is in line with the values of the company and with the expectations of the stakeholders, because they are concerned with the scope and the boundaries of the organizations. To make it easier, the company mission answers to the question, what business are we in? Let's see an example. British Airways is aiming to set the new industry standards in customer service and innovation. They want to deliver the best financial performance and evolve from being an airline to a world travel business. So basically, the mission of a company starting right now is what the company wants to accomplish. Right? So British Airways, they want to deliver the best financial performance and service and innovation. This is their mission. So they are not saying, we want to help passengers to fly from London to Bucharest or from whatever to wherever. No, they are in a business where they talk about innovation. They talk about being a financial service. So you pay for their service and they want to provide you the best quality for your money. Going on with the vision of a company, that is the desired future state of an organization. It is an aspirational view of the general direction that the organization wants to go in. So going on with our British Airways example, the vision of the company is to become the undisputed leader in a world travel by ensuring that British Airways is the customer's first choice through the delivery of an unbeatable travel experience. So you see, the vision of a company is something big. It's something that has like a purpose. It's like the reason you wake up in the morning for a company. They have this vision that might be very far in the future, or maybe you may never be able to accomplish it, but still that is their vision that motivates them. So you accomplish your vision through the mission of a company, right? So their vision is to become the customer's first choice through delivering an unbeatable travel experience. Right? So they don't say our vision is to be the fastest company airline that flies their customers the fastest and in the most comfortable way. No, they say we want to deliver an unbeatable travel experience. So their service actually is the travel experience. And remember that their mission is to deliver the best financial performance. So you see the difference. The difference is that the vision is something very big in the future, very bright, sounds kind of noble, while the mission is something a bit more concrete. And in the same time, talking about the vision and the mission, we go to the objectives of the companies. The objectives, the corporate objectives, are a statement of the overall aims in line with the overall purpose. Objectives are the more precise, short-term usually, statements of directions in line with the formulated vision, which are to be achieved by strategic initiatives or strategies. So the objectives are more precise, they are short-term. This is to be remembered about objectives, right? The objectives is something concrete, what we actually do in detail, because the mission sounds noble. They say we want to deliver the best financial performance and evolve from being an airline to a world travel business. That sounds very fancy, while in the objectives they say what they actually do. So through the objectives, you may say that you accomplish your objectives to accomplish your mission in order to accomplish your vision. So you split the mission into multiple points and those are your objectives. Let's see the example of British Airways. The objectives of the British Airways are to be a good neighbor concerned for the community and the environment, to provide overall superior service and good value for money in every market segment in which we compete, and to excel in anticipating and quickly responding to customer needs and competitor activity. So you see that their second objective is to provide overall superior service and good value for money. So they are in line with the mission. They want to be a good neighbor for concern the community and the environment within they operate. They want to serve the segment in which they compete the best. So these are the objectives. They are a bit more concrete than the mission itself, and the way you accomplish your objectives are through strategies. So the definition of strategies are the ways or means in which the corporate objectives are to be achieved and put into effect. They involve actions and communications that are linked to objectives and are more often specific in organizational functions such as finance, operations, human resources, etc. So the strategies are the ways, the implementation, what you actually do to accomplish the objectives. You said you want to be a good neighbor for the community where you operate. Well, what you actually do, so their strategy is maybe they provide the community with something. Maybe they do something to provide the overall service, the superior service and good value for money. Maybe if you travel locally within a country or within a local community, they give you a discount. It's stuff like this, that these are the strategies through which you accomplish the mission of the company, right? So going on, the strategy of British Airways is continuing emphasis on consistent quality of customer service and the delivery to the marketplace of value for money through customer-oriented initiatives, and to arrange all the elements of our services so that they collectively generate a particular experience. Another strategy is to build trust with our shareholders, employees, customers, neighbors, and with our critics through commitment to good practice and societal reporting. So what they actually say, they won't say, yeah, we will invest in better chairs, we will pay the pilots better so they have more energy when they fly the airplane, so you have I don't know, a leaner flight or something like that, a smoother flight. They say the main idea, so we will deliver better quality and they will deliver quality for customer service, right? Because in the previous objective they said to provide overall superior service. So how do you deliver superior service, which was one of their objectives? They do that through the strategy of delivering consistent quality of customer service and delivery to the marketplace of value for money through customer-oriented initiatives. So they say that all elements in their business, they provide you food, maybe they give you a sandwich, they give you a bottle of water, when you wait in the queue for going in the airplane, all of those are elements of their business that they think about. That's what means to be a customer-oriented service, a customer-oriented business. So you look at the customers and try to make their experience better. And doing so, this is your strategy. So we focus on the customer experience to deliver superior quality in customer service. That's their objective. And this is how we accomplish our mission of being the best. What did they say? They say to be the best financial service performance, right? So if they give you the best experience they can do, then your money will be worth that experience. They want to deliver the best thing for your money. I hope this video helped you to understand the differences between the mission, vision, objective and strategies of a company. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below in the comment section. It helps me with the algorithm. You know how YouTube is nowadays. And if you want to support me, if you want to say thank you for the time and effort I dedicated to make this video, you can buy me a coffee. There is a link in the description. Also, if you want to see an at-length video about what corporate communication is, you will find the link, I believe it's here, or you will find the link in the description, where we go in-depth definition and explanations what corporate communication is, because values, mission, vision, and this kind of stuff are terms that are used within the corporate communication. As an overall resume, I want you to remember that the mission is what we want to do now. What we want to accomplish is pressed at an organizational level. So the vision is the thing that you may never achieve, but it is the point towards you are going. So you are going for something, the big vision that keeps you concerned and that keeps you motivated to continue. Objectives are the short-term directions that make sure you go towards your vision and you accomplish them through strategies. So this was the video for today. I hope this helped you. Check the links down in the description. I will see you at the next video. Check out the other ones on my channel. Bye.